Okay, this is from Exclusive Heritage. We have been using this material, permanent non-stain grout, for the past 30 years. So this is a new method of application we are introducing now. It's an innovation method. Okay, here are all the things you need. Okay, this is a double barrel shotgun. You see, as for the piston, the piston is one big, one small. Okay, because our material is 2:1. Okay, the ratio. Okay, so this is our new packing. It's around more than half a kilo for these two tubes of material. One is part A and one is part B. Okay, this cartridge also got one big piston and one small piston. Okay, then we have a new mixer tube. The mixer tube, when part A and part B comes into this tube, it will mix the material together, and when it comes out from the tip, it's already mixed. Okay, so you have to open the cap of the cartridge on top. Okay, then fix the mixer tube onto the cap where the cap is. Okay, tighten it. Okay, fix it to the gun, push the piston back in front. Okay, and you can use the trigger there to pump the material. Okay, initially when you use a new cartridge and a new mixer tube, you see the mixer tube, it depends on how big the grout is. You can have a bigger grout, you cut inner. Smaller grout, you cut outer, smaller. So initially when you use this, before you start using the material, use a piece of paper and put it onto the floor and pump around 40 cm of the material out to the paper, in which you have to throw it away, because you want to mix the part A and part B thoroughly inside the tube, because in front we don't know got any air bubble or what that prevent it, then the mixer is not mixed thoroughly. So you have to pump 40 cm out of the mixer tube before you can really use it. Okay, so other than this, if you cannot finish using your material, the last time you have to throw it away. But this one, you just dismantle the cartridge. Okay, take out the mixer tube and fix back the original cover to the cartridge, and no wastage. You don't have to waste any material, but the only thing you are going to throw away is the mixer tube, because after 4 hours it will be hardened up. We cannot do anything about it, but it's very economy to use this, and you save a lot of time and money, and better we can save the environment also, not to dirty the environment. So it saves you a lot of time, material and money, and even the application is easier compared to what we are doing last time, in which we had to use a lot of material wastage. Okay, this is better. Thank you.